and we tend to work on the Python IDE for some times. But now let's go to a place where we are going to stay spend more time. So we will talk about uh, types. We have in Python the form in which we store our variable or values on the computer memory actually different. Maybe it's a number or it's an alphabet or it's a string or whatever. But what are the actual data type that we have there? We have type. We have type. Traditional types are number, letter. Now, in number, under number, we have integer, we have float. And you know, integer is a whole number. Integer is a whole number. Integer like integer like 1, 4, 10, 20, yeah, whole number. Now we also have float. Floats are number with a decimal part like 2.5, 200.8. That's the decimal part. Okay, so that's the float. Now let's work out how we're going to work on numbers and this. We have, let's say we have x equals to 300. Print out x, and we have y. Let's say we have price equals to 5,500. Then we print it out, we run it, we print x. Let's print out x. X is 300. What of price? Price is 5,000.5. Now let's go to conversion. Conversion of type. Conversion of type. Mark down as heading. Alright. Conversion of type. Let's say we want to convert from integer to float. Number one, you find out the type of something. You find the type of the variable. In your bracket, type of x, run it. It's an integer. So what are the type of price? So it's possible for you to know the type of price or the type of variable at the time. Instead, it's a float. What if we want to declare a string? Let's say I say greetings. So I say greeting equals to a quote, hello and the rain. If I run it, if I print out, print greetings, print out hello Mandarin, because it's a code. A string contains letters. Convert from integer to float. Integer to float. we have, let's say, double aux equals to float into bracket aux running print out print double aux print out double aux. You see now, because aux is 300, but when we converted it become 300.0, which is a float, the decimal part. What if we want to convert from float so integer int? What do we do? We run the same code. Let's say we have aux price equals to int into bracket price. So we run it, print aux price out. Aux price is 5,000 instead of 5,000.5, so it has been converted. So it means it cuts off the decimal part. What if we want to move from string, or let's say, is it possible to add a value to a string? Like we have greetings. Let's say we have gout as equals to greeting plus 10. Is it possible? We run it, it's going to give you an error. So can only concatenate string with a number. So what do we do? Let's practice like this. Let's say I said st aux equals to the code. If I said 128, if I print it out, check the type of straux, running is a string, but actually a number is quoted, so it's not a number, it's a string. The computer does not see as a string, as a number, so the Python represents it as a string. We can actually convert it back to an integer or a float. Let's say we have f straux as a float string, convert to string equals to float into straux. Then we print it out. You see, what's the type? Type is f straux is now a float, number is string. So this is type and conversion. Though we are going to be talking about other types in the next section.